Hornøya really is that kind of hidden gem of Europe, really, and considering it's so far north and so far east.
Tourists have historically come here to see an Arctic fortress and the site of ancient witch burnings. But today, 2 of 3 of its visitors are coming to the island for a wholly different reason.
This is one of the most successful bird colonies in Europe.
Here, birding is an unexpected industry.
Everybody is looking towards oil, but I think if we can look towards ecotourism and really push the bird market, because this is one of the best destinations in the world you can come for birding.
So we're about to take a ferry to the island of Hornøya, just over there, to see the over 270 species of birds that watchers from all over Europe come to see. Hornøya is a quick but chilly ride away, and almost immediately the island's rich wildlife is visible. We've arrived here in Hornøya, and as you can see, the bird cliffs are behind me. There are hundreds and thousands of birds here, everything from gulls to puffins, all the things in between a birder would want to see. You wouldn't believe the sight, the smell, the sounds. Let's go see what we can find in our walk. Following the path gets you remarkably close to dozens of species of nesting birds.
Birds from all over Europe come here to breed in the summer. Last year we had a white-winged black-tern, which would be in Cyprus, and lesser short-toed lark on Hornøya, which should be in the Middle East somewhere. Just a few months ago we had a Pacific eider, which is the first for Europe, and we had a couple of birders from Spain come up here just to see that one bird.
Despite the constant traffic in birders, Biotope has managed to keep the ecosystem in good shape. Because this is an ecologically delicate island, Biotope has come in, and all the infrastructure they've put in is really ecologically safe. They've used natural materials for the bridge, like wood. They've used burlap for the paths, which is biodegradable but also stops erosion. So when you have all the bird watchers coming through, they're not ruining the environment as much as they would if it was an unprotected area.
It's important for us that we provide shelter where people can come onto the island and they can have an enjoyable time, where we can showcase the wildlife right in front of them and just provide that little bit of information. And by providing kind of usable footpaths, it just makes their experience on the island much more enjoyable.
On Hornøya, Biotope's efforts seem to be paying off, both for the birds and the birders who love them. I'm Emma Jarrett for the Barents Observer.